Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're showing you today, this is the Good Natured Juice Press, a semi-automatic machine, their X-1 model. And we have a couple more working on. We just finished reconditioning this one. It has an independent hydraulic system which allows the two platens to squeeze material which has been cut and ground in the shredder, which is up above here. How the machine operates usually, they use a synthetic material bag like this, which slides right in here in between the two platens. You'll see there's grommets on each side, which allows it to hold in place. And then you go ahead and start whatever recipe you're doing, cutting your material up in here. And we're going to show you right now. We're operating on 220 single phase voltage. This has variable speed. So down this chute, there's normally a pusher to push the material down. Whatever material comes in the vegetables would driving. At a variable speed, and if you keep looking, you'll see it slow down to very slow speed. This is a Lenzi AC Tech controller in here with a remote panel out front. On here, touch-sensitive key, so you can easily operate it. And like all frequency controllers, one's from 0 to 60 hertz. As you see, you can hear the speed of the motor start going up. And that's full speed right there if you want to get a look inside. Stop-start has an EStop fusible disconnect. Now once you're finished grinding all your materials, you can turn this on right here. Now this is the hydraulic compression unit, and you can just pull here and you'll watch the hydraulic unit start coming in. It has, I think if I recall correctly, almost about 15 tons of pressure. So there will be a platen cover on each side here, and that helps suppress juice. Juice is then collected, and there's a tray which mounts down here on these two guides. It's a standard 20-inch chafing tray with a small discharge in the bottom of the tri-clamp connection is what's normally furnished with it. Machine's in good running condition. It's only a few years old. We do have two of them. You'll see the other one behind it. We're waiting for some parts on that to finish that. Everything's working great on it. We have lots of processing and packaging equipment in our stock for mostly the sanitary industries. So we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.